Hi, this is Chris and Jakub from Pagepro. We're recording from San Francisco. We are just after Next.js Conf, and today we're going to speak about Sanity. Jakub, so why Sanity is the best CMS for content teams? As I remember, we have 3 items to explain. So what is the first point?
The first one will be the most important one for editors. It will be the great collaboration experience. I like to use Google Documents or Figma as a comparison, where you can see the avatars of people who have your documents opened. You can click on the avatar and you will be redirected to exact place where the changes are made. You can see, like, in a live mode, which fields are edited with which value, and yeah, that's very important for people so they don't overwrite their work. We also have option for history, so we can see who made specific changes, when the changes were made, and we can also revert those changes. And the last one for collaboration is the workflows. So we can create custom workflows. So for example, you have if you have like a specific roles in your team, like one person will be responsible for some group of authors, then you can create the content manager role, the authors role, and then none of the authors' work will be published without approving of content manager. So you're making sure that all of your content is reviewed by a supervisor.
Yeah, so I guess this is very important for bigger teams and for teams that, for example, have some compliance requirements. Or so, for example, in industries like insurance, financial, publishers, I guess, maybe medical. In those industries, it's very important to make sure the content is correct, and sometimes it contains several steps. And on each step you can verify and you can update the content. Okay, great. So that was about team collaboration, and the second point is about editing experience, right?
Yeah. So Sanity also have a great editor experience. They have like built-in tools, built-in features that you can use to improve these live for editors. One of the most important ones is the visual editor, where you can see your changes live and see how they affect your application, your documents. And if you do some changes, you can see how the content will change. For example, if you don't want to expand your text for 3 lines and only want to keep your 2 lines, then it's very easy to see it in the visual editor, or how the specific content looks like with different images and things like that. It's very important and it's very helpful. The other one is media management, where you can have one place to group all of your media. So you can upload them in a bulk mode, so you can have like hundreds of media uploaded at once. You can modify the metadata. The last one will be the content releases. So you can group your content into specific releases and release them on a specific date, for example. So if you have like content related to specific event or something that appears on a specific date, or you can't publish your content before specific date, then it's a great feature for you.
And the third, the last point, but it's very important and very trendy, because it's about AI features of Sanity.
Yeah, everyone is talking about AI these days, about the agents and things like that help you create content faster or verify your content faster and just improve your workflows. So in Sanity we have multiple AI enhancements. They're the simple ones and more advanced ones. The simple ones is just using the AI Assist plugin tool that can help you like fulfill values for your fields, like generating art for your images, generating some descriptions, or creating the content without any specific prompt, but just based on your document. You can also create some more specific instructions that can be reused to generate those things. And we also have the more advanced thing, which is the agents. They have more variety of use cases. One of the most common one is like the generation of translations for documents. When you publish one language, then it populates the translations for all languages that you're using in your application. So you don't need to do it manually, it just automatically does that when you click the publish button. You can also do some, let's say, bulk update of specific wording. So let's say you change some slogans and you want to change those slogans on every document that have this slogan. You can use the agent for that, and it will automatically update all of them. Or to remove forbidden words, let's say, things like that. You can also create images based on prompts, so you don't need to look for this perfect photo that can be used to this specific content, but you can ask AI to generate you the image. And actually you can do maybe not anything, but a lot of things with those agents. It's up to you how you will use them, but they can help you improve the automation of your workflows.
Yes, because now currently Sanity is a content operating system. So in this operating system, you can manage your agents to enhance your content and help you with content production. You have a great editing experience, so you as an editor can edit everything smoothly and without any friction. And if you're working in a team, you have great collaboration features.
Exactly.
Yeah, I hope this is useful for you, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.